Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about the world. Do you know, kids? What is world? Allah made the earth for us to live on. He made the sky like a roof above us. This world is a sign, but Allah is the creator. Do you know, kids? What is the importance of world? Kids, Allah is the Lord, the King of everything, seen and unseen. Allah made the sun bright for the day. He made the moon and stars to light the night. He gives food, water, and air so we can live. Kids, every heartbeat is a gift from Allah. Allah's mercy is bigger than the whole world.
Al-Kabir Publisher is an Islamic institute. We create beautiful, easy to understand Islamic books filled with colors and lessons that help children learn about Islam with knowledge and joy. Our mission is to nurture young hearts to love the Prophet ﷺ and to walk the path of goodness. Al-Kabir Publisher, where every page shines with fragrance of faith.